I created this IPL cricket video with just Canva and ChatGPT. Just watch this.
Delhi Capitals star slams 100 off 37 balls in practice match ahead of IPL 2025. Young Australian batter Jake Fraser McGurk smashed a
The best part is I didn't do voiceover myself. I used ChatGPT again to do the voiceover. If you want to create these cricket IPL videos, then watch the video till the very end because I'm gonna tell you how you can create such interesting ChatGPT videos with the help of ChatGPT. So before we dive into it, why people are creating a lot of cricket videos, why people are creating a lot of IPL videos, the reason is that if I just show you, if I just search IPL 25 news today, you can see channels like 10.1k subscribers and the other channels are also creating videos. And if you look at their videos, so let me just open this one. For example, like if I just go on to this one, so this channel is basically publishing a lot of shorts recently, and then if I just play the short, then you can see this has got 11 views, and just look at the video that they have created. Nothing, right? If I just scroll down, then again look at the number of views, 823, and look at the video. Again, no spices at all. 2.1k views. Again, no fancy editing, but people are publishing it because this is helping them to grow their channel. And if you want to do the same, then watch the video till the very end because I'm going to tell you the exact steps that you need to perform. The first thing that you have to do is you have to find the topic. For that, what you have to do, you just have to go on Google and then you have to search for, let's say, IPL 2025, today 22nd March news. Now the moment you will search it, you will get a lot of stories, right? So I'm just gonna pick up the top story right now, which is this story: Kolkata Knight Riders versus Royal Challengers Bengaluru highlights IPL 2025. Now this is a story that I have got. Now I want to make video on this one. So for that, what I can do, all you have to do is you just have to copy the content and then you have to paste it inside the doc. I did the same thing where I copied the headline and I copied the content as well and I pasted inside the doc. So this is the first thing that you have to do in order to find the content for your video. The next step that you have to perform is you have to go to ChatGPT, right? Because now we want to do the voiceover part. So how will you get done your voiceover? So for that I have created a very detailed video. So if you go on my channel and if you just search Ronglati 504, then on this channel, if you go into the videos part, then you can find out that how with the help of ChatGPT you can do voiceover for free, and you do not need any fancy software for that. So you just need to scroll down a little bit, and then you can see over here how to use ChatGPT to do voiceover for free. So if you watch this video, this will become easier for you how to do a free voiceover with the help of ChatGPT only. The moment you have copied the content, after that what you have to do, you just have to copy the whole content and then you have to go to ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT by copying the content, and then over here I'm gonna just say it, repeat same, and then just paste it. The moment you will paste it, then what ChatGPT will do, they will repeat out the same content that you have just texted to ChatGPT. After that, you see this option, read aloud. Just play this one.
Delhi Capitals star smashes 100 off 37 balls in practice match.
You see now it has started doing the voiceover. But how do you download it? For that you need to watch this video till the very end, because that will tell you how you can download the voiceover from ChatGPT for free. Then the next step is you need to go to Canva, right? So I'm just quickly gonna do on Canva, and then you need to download some images from internet about the news that you have just got. So for this one I have got this news: Delhi Capital star slams 100 of 37 balls. So what I did, I just downloaded some of the images into my Canva, and then you can see that I have uploaded a lot of images into Canva, right? So these are the images that you have to import in. I'm just quickly gonna do it on the add page section. So let's say I want to incorporate this image, so you just like click on this and then you just apply on set image as background. Now you see that this image has been placed in the background. Now this is the way through which you have to add all of your images in the background, right? The moment you have added it, then you can just do whatever you want to. You can reduce the video length for this particular slide, right? After that, for the animations part, so what you can do, if you just hover over here, you can see the add transition section, then just click on the add transition part, and from here you can choose whichever transition you are liking, because Canva has a lot of transitions, right? Circle vibe, match and move, flow, slack, chop. So there are like a different type of animations that you can choose. So right now I'm choosing this match and move. Now you can see that this has been applied, and now if you're just gonna play this video.
Delhi Capitals star slams 100 off 37 balls in practice match ahead of IPL 2025. Young Australian batter Jake Fraser McGurk smashed an outstanding century off just 30.
So you see, whatever transitions you have added, it has started appearing over here, and this is how you can make as many cricket videos as you want to. All you have to do is just upload your images in this section, then click on add page sections, import your images. Let's say I want to import this image again. Import your images, right click on the image, and then click on set images background, and then apply the transition filters, video filters, and that's boom. Once your content is done, click on share. Once you are satisfied with your video content, click on share, and then just click on download. Your video will get downloaded, and then you can upload it on your channels, and then that's it, guys.